Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salah. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. Guys, it has been just over 3 or 4 days since Ugogos Kuteni revealed and announced that she has officially resigned from Ubunkoma. Uskuteni said that she will no longer practice Ubunkoma. She put her tools down and officially posted a video of herself telling her fans that she is leaving it all and focusing on her relationship with God. Now, Ugogo Nkanyamba is known as Ugogo's Kuteni's Kobela, you guys, and people have been pestering her in the comment section, wanting her opinions on what Gogo's Kuteni revealed. They wanted her opinion regarding Gogo's Kuteni's exit from Ubunkoma, and she has responded, posting this video for the very first time, basically saying that Ubunkoma is a very hard journey. And you know what, she talked about how much she feared Amadlozi, her ancestors, how much she feared and respected them, you guys. Nkanyamba said quite a lot, you guys, so please watch this video of Gogo's Kuteni's Kobela finally breaking her silence for the very first time. Before I upload it, do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section and share it so that you do not have to miss out. Also, subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Mama, ngiyakhala. Nginenkinga eningi kakhulu. Kodwa akusiyizo ezingikhalisayo. Into engikhalisayo ingoba ngiyalisaba idlozi. Ngiyabasaba labantu abangingenile. Ngoba kunala ngifuna ukuya khona, kepha kuyeki ngoba nginabo. Kunale nqumo engisithandayo mina, kepha angikhona ukufinyelela kuzona ngoba ngisaba lo mthwalo engihamba nawo. Ngikhaliswa ukusaba uNkulunkulu umveli nqangi nabakithi abangasekho. Inkinga azisangenzi lutho, ziningi kepha azisangikhalisi. Ngikhalisa ukusaba umqalisi wempilo yami, lo ozophinda abe umphelelisi wale mpilo yami. Ngisabe lama bodyguard angigadile, uShando Ndaba Ezitho Mthiya, behlangane noXaba, uShwabade, oNonkosi. Ngisaphilela bona, yingakho ezami inqumo ngakhona ukusithathela zona. Kunzima kule ndlela yasedlozini, kunzima ukuhamba la uthanda khona. Gogo Nkanyamba lo, the queen of the nation. Abanye bezwa kushiwo ukuthi the queen of the nation. Angizithanga, bebethi queen of Zulu because ngumZulu endaweni yakaSoshangane. Ibona bangetha ukuthi ngiyiqueen because bengithanda amanzi, ngibukeka kahle esedlozini kule ndawo kuyimi umZulu phakathi kweminye imihlobo. Ngaze ngayibhala emzimbeni ukuthi I am a queen of Zulu. Kepha ngokwenza kahle bantwini bathi no, siyazi ukuthi umZulu, kepha nathi uyiqueen yethu la eMzansi Afrika. Bashintsha bathi queen of the nation. Ngavuma ngoba into ethandwa abantu